What's IP ban? Why happen and how to avoid it? All right, let me break it down for you in just 1 minute. Just like your IP address is your home address online, an IP ban is the website's bouncer saying, "You there, I don't like you. Get out," and blocking your address entirely. Why would it be so mean? Well, usually it's because you did something suspicious, like sending too many requests too fast, scraping data without permission, or logging in too many times incorrectly. The website thinks you're a bot or a hacker. So how do you avoid being the online version of persona non grata? Don't hammer the refresh button, respect the site's rules, and use official APIs if they're available. Slow down human. But if your work requires you to send a lot of requests, like data analysis or price comparison, this is where a good proxy becomes your secret weapon. A proxy hides your real IP address by routing your traffic through a different one. It's like your internet invisibility cloak. Get your proxy set up right away and start bypassing IP bans. Looking for a proxy provider? Try IP Cook. New users get 100 megabytes of free traffic. Links in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think of IP ban. Subscribe and see you in the next one. IP Cook, your fast and reliable proxies for every need.